In this lesson, we're going to create our second article, which is going to be an About Us page. Go to the Content menu and select the Article Manager. To create the new article, click on New and then give the article its title and place it in the category that we want to save it in. I'm going to select the About category. Now we're ready to type our contents. When writing your content, you should remember that people tend to read less on the web than they do on the printed page. So if you're not used to writing for a website, it's a good idea to write the content once and then come back to it and edit it by about 50%. When you're happy with your content, you can format it with H tags like we did in the previous lesson and add images as well if you want. In this article, I want to create a link to another website. To do that, select the piece of text that you want to be the clickable link. And then click on this icon here, which is a link in a chain. We now have the opportunity to type in the actual URL that we want the link to be, but don't. It's far too easy to make a typing mistake. Instead, I strongly recommend you open a new browser window, go to the website that you want to create a link to, then select the link and copy it. Return to your website and paste in the full link. Before clicking on Insert to paste the link into our content, one thing you might want to change is the target. By default, this is set to Not Set, which means that this link will open in the same browser window that the website is currently in. Some people prefer that if the link is going to somebody else's website, they want to open the link in a new window, and you can do this by changing the target from Not Set to Open in New Window. Click Insert and the link has been created, and we can see that the link has been formatted in a different colour. So now that we have our text and our links and it's formatted how we want it to, we can save it and then go on to create the menu link so that we can display this article on our website. Click on Save and Close. Now we need to go to our menus, and here we can see a menu already created called Main Menu. Here we can see they already have a menu item created called Home, and we want to create a brand new one, specifically for this About Us article. Click on New, and in this form is where we create the menu item. The first thing we have to do is to select what type of menu item we are creating. If we click on this button, we can see that there are several different types of menu items we can create, depending on what it is we are linking to. We're linking to articles, so we can select articles, and then we have several choices. We can see the second one here is to a single article, and this is the one we want to use for us to display our About Us page. So select this. Once that's selected, we're now given a choice to actually select which article it is that we're going to link to. So again, click on Select, and you'll see a list of all your articles. We currently only have 2. Select the one you want, About Us. We can see it's now showing as being selected here, and then enter the menu title. This is the words that will actually appear on the website as the clickable link. The alias, just as with the categories, will be generated automatically by Joomla. At this point, we've done everything we need to do to create the menu link, so press Save and Close. Once that menu item has been saved, Open up your website in a new window and have a look. Remember, you can do that by clicking on the name of your site in the top left. So welcome to our website. This is the front page from before, and over here on the main menu we can see there is now a link to About Us, and if we click on that we can see our About Us page. And here in the middle is the link that we created to that other website, which when we click on it opens in a brand new window because that's what we told it to do. So now we have created a brand new article and created a menu link to that article to display it on the website.